Welcome to NVE Corporation's YouTube channel. We're unboxing our new Shield 02, an off-axis angle sensing demo board designed as an Arduino Shield. The kit has a business card with links to our GitHub, the web store, the product manual, and our YouTube channel. The printed circuit board assembly is built like an Arduino Shield. A 3D printed magnet pocket fixture shows where we can detect rotations from. NVE angle sensors can be hot swapped via the NVE Link card edge connection, allowing you to quickly try several different sensors with the same board. Just pop off the magnet holder to access the connector. We included a diametrically magnetized ring magnet and an official NVE magnet spinner. We'll walk through a quick start and demonstrate our two most sensitive angle sensors. If you don't want to scan the QR code, you can find the manual on our website, nve.com. NVE's TMR angle sensors are suitable for a variety of applications that require high sensitivity, ultra-miniature sensors that consume very little power. To give you more power to customize, we only included the Shield board and magnets fixturing. You will also need an Arduino Uno or other compatible microcontroller board, and an NVE sensor board with NVE Link connection. All 12 of NVE's angle sensor boards are compatible with Shield 02. Today we'll demonstrate the AAT006-10E and our brand new ALT521-10E. The links will take you to the web store, and we can add all the items in our cart. Once you have the materials, visit NVE's GitHub page, where you can download example code. We're adding new code routinely, and if you have a question about it or would like more examples, please contact us. AAT006 and ALT521 are pin compatible, so we can use the same program to test them. This program showcases the precision of the sensors, and it has a few different LED color modes to keep us entertained. We'll connect the Shield to the Arduino and upload the program. Next, we'll pop off the magnet fixture and install the sensor board. Just like that, it works. But we can get more precision if we use the fixture to guide the magnet. We added a jumper to let you read the sensor current. Our AAT006-10E consumes 2 microamps while running on the Arduino's 5-volt supply. Let's take a closer look. The LEDs track the angle of the magnet. When the reading stabilizes, a flashing sequence is triggered. We're using the on-axis sensing pocket, but let's switch to one of the off-axis parallel plane configurations. There's no noticeable difference in the performance, and that's because the sensor works in the off-axis configuration and doesn't need any special compensation or signal conditioning. Even when we move to a perpendicular plane configuration, the sensor just works. NVE's TMR angle sensors are highly robust to air gap variations and misalignment tolerance. We can use the Mode Select button to change the LED style. This mode uses a color wheel to establish multi-turn encoding. NVE's TMR angle sensors are absolute encoders over a single 360-degree rotation, and the Arduino can be used to count multiple rotations. Let's try the ALT521. Here's how you can swap between different sensors. The ALT521 is a dual-axis linear TMR sensor with very high sensitivity, and it can be used at very large air gaps. We designed Shield 02 to help you try off-axis angle sensing configurations. Please visit our website and contact us with your questions. We look forward to working with you.